Myntri Rangbah kajela ukonrat ki sangma hakalai potrik nailar ula pelipat ba ya ke CM Connect Center happy is sangma Stadium Tura West Garo Hills da kabapen benaru ya kerai bentawi ki center habarok san pun riu telik blok ha kajela ula ong bagani ke center kan long ka rensan ke banyarap ik nong shong snong bagi la ban pun bet how number I way kendai nyo I way CM Connect ban pen pawi ke jing ai jing mut na kebenta ban la ban pen bet mardor haba ai jing kren ha ka jingalang Myntri Rangbah ula ong baka CM Connect kam dei tang ke program kam dei tang phone number ne tang ke office henry ka dei ke jing mut ba ka jing thmu ba kong san jong ka sarkar ula batai ru baya ka ni sen jam la tei halor ka nong rim ba Myntri Rangbah ka jela ba sarkar kide benyai don ya ka jinga dei ka bajan bat ki pai ba lada ukhli jong ka sarkar umla ban penya so bat sngotu I jing jong ki pai ba kawan ra ka jing hakila jinga kren ya ka bakum ka ni jing la ban khanglat engi ban penbet ikimat ki badan kam shisha ki nong shong snong jongi bat kala ban wan ra ya ka rukam senshar ka bakhlam pen pawi ki jing don kam jongki ula ong ula batai ru kumno ka CM Connect kan trekam ling ba ki lai teli kilat bakong san kata ki jingpen bena ling ba ki core technology kaban ailat ikinong shong snong ban pen pawi ki jing bat ban wat jing tip ling ba da ka ba shupun how helpline number I way kendai nyo I way klem da don kam jing siu ling ba ki WhatsApp services chatbots per ka website jong ka CM Connect ya kini ki jing an bu jing tho an but din bat pha shakitanat badai pej ban penbet hakapor ka babiang kabaar ka jinga kren ba bet ba ki nong shong snong kandang beteng ban long umau jam ba kong san jong ka ni ka jing thmu ha ka ba Myntri Rangbah ka jela unyo banya kren markmat ba ki pat ba ban sngap I ki jing jongki ka CM Connect kam dei shapang ki jing kren henry ka dei shapang ka jing sngam ngila ban perkhat ba ngile ka badai henry lemda ngiyo sngo hi na ki pat ba ngimla ban tip I ka jing shisha ula ken tho kabalai an bu I ka CM Connect Center habaro ki san pen riu teli ki blok jong ka jela kat ba ki office ki badan ha ka kerdan blok pen trekam ha ka rukam ka ba khamren ki jaka trekam jong ki district kin bu I ki jaka ki bala pen biang purai ki nong tre banyarap I ki nong shong snong
and the citizens of Tura
kat ba nang yai ki sngi ki ni ki center kin sanang kiu ban a jing shakri kum ka jing ai ki sernat ki application ki scheme sarkar bat ki way ki jing shakri badan kam u konrad ulo ong ru ba ka CM Connect ka dei halor ka jing pen roya ka call shore jong ka jing ngam bat ka jing shimbenta ban penthi kna ba ka jing sanshar kan yai long ka ba pen shong nong rim ha ki brio
CM Connect. It is not a program. Neither is CM Connect just one mobile number. And neither is CM Connect this CM Connect office. CM Connect is an idea. The idea is that the Chief Minister must connect with the people. If the head of the government is not able to connect and understand the issues of the people, it means there is a gap in the communication, and that communication gap has a possibility of not being able to resolve issues that are important to the people, and also have an impact of governance that matter to the people. And hence CM Connect, as I said, is an idea. To complete and to fulfill and to implement this idea, we have used different mechanisms. The first mechanism is mobile communication connectivity. and hence a call center, WhatsApp group or a chat box, and the website where you can get all the information. So people can call and find out and complain about different issues through this contact number and the call center. And I will share more with you how this works. Second is when Chief Minister himself goes and meets the grassroots people. Whenever I go and have any program anywhere, for me, every program is a CM Connect program. As I said, it's not about the program CM Connect. It is about the idea and the mindset that we as political leaders, officials and bureaucrats must always remember that we have to connect with the people. It is the mindset and it is that idea which is important. This program can become a CM Connect program if I just give the mic to you. And you can then talk to me, tell me about your complaints. So I would like to see that CM Connect program becomes more of an idea and engagement. And it should not be programs where only Chief Minister speaks and public only listens. I do this in many programs. Within seconds, I convert it from a normal program into a CM Connect program by simply giving the mic to the other side. Because I believe it is important to listen. We are not right always. We may think we are, and we may be thinking we're doing the right thing, but till we do not hear the concerns of the people, we will not know. So as CM Connect physical programs, I go to different blocks and have meetings. And the third is this office. Because some people don't know how to use technology. Some people cannot go to Chief Minister's program. Then where do they go? So that is why the third is the CM Connect Center. And I intend to open this center in every block. All 56 blocks of the state. In the blocks, the offices will be smaller, where in the block office, maybe one room will be given to CM Connect office. But in district headquarters, I want this office center to be manned properly and have a proper staff. An idea is to then let people come to these centers and discuss about the different issues and problems they have.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.